everyone, what's up? Thanks so much for joining me today. In today's video, I'm going to show you some quick, easy, fun summer hairstyles for curly hair. And I hope you guys enjoy. Make sure that you like, comment, and subscribe, and keep watching. For this video, you're gonna need some little baby hair clips. They're like butterfly clips, if you can see. You're gonna need a fluffy brush, a bobby pin, spray bottle, oh, and a hair binder, which is currently in my hair, or hair tie, depending on where you're from. I just learned that hair binder is something only people in Minnesota say. Is that true? If that's true, comment below. If you say hair binder, comment below and tell me, because I said hair binder at work the other day and everyone was like, oh my god, what is that? I've never heard of that before. So, like, let me know. Yeah, okay, keep watching. This is look number 1. It's a half up, half down sort of look, but really we just pinned back the first chunk of our hair with little butterfly clips. So I'll show you how to do it now. Okay, so I'm taking my clip here and taking the first half of my hair, leaving a little bit out like by my ear, and literally just clipping it back. And I'm clipping it, so if you can see my ear, sorry, I have a lot of hair. It takes a minute to get to my ear. It's like right behind my ear. So there we go, and then you can leave it like this. Like, honestly, this is a pretty cute look, but we're gonna do the same thing to the other side. So I'm just taking back that first part of my hair and clipping it. Sometimes I like to bring the back part a little bit forward because I think it gives my hair a good shape. And there we go. Hairstyle number 2 is a half Dutch braid that goes into a high little bun. I'm gonna get close so you can see it. Okay, so I'm gonna take the first half of my hair and pull that up. And then I'm doing a half ponytail, but I'm leaving down some of my hair again, so it's covering my ears. And then I'm taking this bottom half of my hair and just gonna put it in a little low ponytail for the moment so that I can focus on the top. But don't think that this is the look that we're going for, because this isn't it. Even though, honestly, it doesn't look horrible. What's happening? Now that the bottom part is out of our mind, out of our life, we're just gonna focus on the top. Okay, so we're gonna start with this little section of hair, and I'm gonna section it into 3 parts like you would any braid. 1, 2, 3, I hope you guys can see that. And then I'm going to be putting the outer sections underneath the middle. So this is my new middle, and I'm bringing that outer section under. Now this is my new middle. I'm grabbing more hair as I add to it and bringing it under, and just keep doing this until that whole top section is in a braid. Alright, so I continued that braid all the way down, so now this is braided, and I'm just going to make a bun right on the top of my head. Okay, then I'm going to take this little hair tie and use it to secure the little bun, and I'm just gonna pull it out to make it a bit messier and fuller. And then you're gonna take your bottom section down, and there you go. Alright, so here is our next hairstyle. It's a half braided, like Dutch braided, messy look into these little pigtails. Please note that the more you mess with your curly hair in one setting, the worse your curls are gonna come out, especially when we're braiding and like low-key brushing through them. So if my hair just looks crazier and crazier throughout this video, it's me, not you. It's you, not me. It's you forcing me to do this. It's me. So yeah, I'll show you how to do this one. Alright, so I'm going to use this bobby pin to make my part. You can use literally anything that's just like a little bit pointy. And I'm just doing a part right down the middle of my hair. And then I'm gonna do a part down the side as well, because we're gonna be sectioning off our hair. Then I'm just gonna take this section and put a hair tie around it for now. Same thing over here, matching that section. So I'm taking my first section and doing my 3 little sections to start Dutch braiding. Okay, so when you're done Dutch braiding it to the back, it's going to look like this. And you're just going to take that little hair tie that we used for the half up, half down Dutch braid and use that to secure this. Try not to pull your hair in the process, even though it's really hard. Okay, and then I'm just, I don't know a good word for this. Pulling it tighter? There we go. Then I'm gonna take this and just pull out the braids a little bit more to make it messy and cute. All right, and here we are, all done, ready to go party. So excited. Okay, so here is your next hairstyle. It's a Dutch braid going into your regular curly hair, and this is how you do it. So I'm taking my spray bottle and spraying the top of my hair, and then I'm going to take my fluffy brush to smooth everything down. And we're gonna put our hair into a high ponytail. When you're doing a high ponytail, I like to take my brush and move my hair higher so it looks like pulled up instead of pulled to the side, if that makes sense. If you want a more in-depth video on how to do this, I can make that for you. Just let me know. So then your hair is gonna look like this, and I do it about halfway down. Then I take my little hair tie and finish it off. And this way you still have your curls coming through and a little braid. I'm going to turn around so you guys can see it. Alright, and finally we have the last hair look. This one is the easiest. It's, gosh, okay. So, this one is the easiest. It's what you do when you have literally no time and you just want to put your hair in a high bun. So, there you go. It's great for summer or swimming or, you know, whatever you do in the summer. Who knows? I don't know you. I don't judge you. Sorry, my boyfriend's sitting over there. Yeah, keep watching to see how I do it. I am starting my bun, so I start twisting it as I bring my hair around. And then once it gets to the other side of my head, I stop twisting it and I just wrap it. Then I'm going to take my hair binder and secure it into place. Then I'm just going to take this part out because I think it looks cute. And that is that. It's super easy. I normally take a bobby pin and put it like underneath on the back part of my hair because I have baby hairs and I like to get them off of my neck when I wear a bun, so there you go. Alright everyone, thank you so much for watching this video. I hope that you enjoyed, and I hope you enjoyed seeing me with my new camera. Sorry if my eyes were looking all over the place. I'm still like getting used to it, but thank you so much for watching, and make sure that you comment, like it, and subscribe, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye!